ConcealSafe, making security better. How to use this website. First, let's talk about some important terminology. What is the encryption and decryption?
Let's start with the basics. Encryption is the process of converting a readable message into an unreadable format so that only authorized people can understand it. Decryption is the reverse, it turns the unreadable message back into its original form.
Let's talk about AES and RSA, two powerful encryption algorithms, and how we can apply them. In symmetric key encryption, only one key is used for both encryption and decryption, meaning both the sender and receiver must have the same secret key. Common algorithms used in symmetric encryption include AES. On the other hand, asymmetric key encryption uses a pair of keys, a public key to encrypt and a private key to decrypt, adding an extra layer of security, though it's slower in comparison. Algorithms like RSA and DSA are popular in asymmetric encryption. Sarah wants to send a secret message to Nora. The original message is, "Hello, meet me at 5 p.m." But instead of sending it directly, Sarah encrypts the message using AES, a symmetric encryption algorithm. This means the message is locked using a single secret key, making it fast and efficient for encrypting large amounts of data. Now, the message looks like random code, completely unreadable. This encrypted message is what gets sent to Nora. Anyone who tries to intercept it won't understand a thing. But there's a challenge. How can Sarah safely share the secret AES key with Nora? To solve this, Sarah uses RSA, an asymmetric encryption algorithm. She encrypts the AES key using Nora's public RSA key. Since only Nora's private key can decrypt it, no one else can access the AES key. So, Sarah sends two things to Nora: the encrypted message, encrypted with AES, and the encrypted AES key, encrypted with RSA. When Nora receives them, she uses her private RSA key to decrypt the AES key, then uses the decrypted AES key to unlock and read the original message.
Now, let's look at another technique, steganography. Instead of scrambling the message, this method hides the message inside something else, like an image, an audio clip, or even a video. In this method, Sarah hides the encrypted message inside a media file, like a photo. To anyone else, the file looks normal. But Nora knows where to look and how to extract the hidden message. Let's walk through this step by step in a practical scenario. We'll demonstrate how encryption, decryption, and steganography work together to secure communication even in plain sight. Sarah wants to send a private message to her friend Nora. She writes, "Hello Nora, meet me at 5 p.m. But instead of sending it as plain text, she wants to secure it. To encrypt the message, Sarah needs a key. Think of it like a secret password that locks and unlocks the message. There are two types of keys. A private key used in symmetric encryption like AES, where both sender and receiver share the same key. Or a public-private key pair in asymmetric encryption like RSA, where Sarah encrypts with Nora's public key, and only Nora can decrypt it using her private key. Sarah uses one of these techniques, for example, RSA, and the message becomes encrypted. Now it looks like this. It's completely unreadable without the correct key. Next, Sarah hides this encrypted message inside a normal-looking photo using steganography. From the outside, it's just a regular image, maybe a photo of a cup of coffee. But secretly, that encrypted text is hidden within the file. Sarah sends the image to Nora. To anyone else, it's just a harmless picture, nothing suspicious. No one knows there's a hidden message inside. When Nora receives the image, she uses a tool to extract the hidden encrypted message. Then, using her private key, she decrypts it, unlocking the original message. Why keys matter? If someone intercepted the image, they wouldn't even know there's a message inside. Even if they somehow found the encrypted text, without the correct decryption key it would be impossible to read. This is how encryption, keys, and steganography work together. One hides the message, the other locks it. Only the right key can reveal what's inside. All these security features and more in this application save you information by using
ConcealSafe.